So I recently bought this TOUGHBUILT 8-piece screwdriver set with a lifetime warranty. It is their model number TB-H5S8-A. Lord knows I've got more screwdrivers than I can shake a fist at, but I bought another set. Let's get a close-up of these. We'll take a look at this number 3 Phillips first. First thing I want to look at is they are marked on the end. This denotes a Phillips 3, number 3 Phillips. But what I really like about these is they also have those, I believe that's laser etched, because that could always wear off on the end of the handle. But this is on here and it identifies it. You can see there, PH3, Phillips number 3 by 6 inch long. And I believe that is laser etched in there. Very nice. Extremely nice. Next is the handle itself. I love the material, whatever composition that is of this black part. Online it says by material because they've got like this other type of plastic or composite here. But the material that they've used for the handle, the grip, extremely nice. And I like the fact that they have this parting line in there too. That actually aids in the grip. They've got 3 of them at every 120 degrees. Well designed, really. This is nice. Again, very happy with TOUGHBUILT tools. At the top side of the handle, you can see they have a lanyard hole. As we go down the blade just after the handle, you can see they have this to where you can actually, for high demand situations, you can put a wrench on it, as seen here. And the shanks of the screwdriver are black chrome plated steel. And the tips of all these screwdrivers are magnetic and are nickel plated for improved screw retention and durability. Here you see the magnetic feature of those tips with a ruler blade. Well guys, another winning set of tools by TOUGHBUILT.